Types of international trade. For practical purposes, international trade is divided into three major types. These are 1. Export trade. Quite like its import counterpart, export trade is a type of international trade that relies on selling locally manufactured goods and services to foreign countries. In theory, it's considered to be just the opposite of import trade. For example, India exports inorganic chemicals, oilseeds, raw ores, iron and steel, plastics and dairy products to countries like China. In return, China exports electrical equipment, organic chemicals, silk, mineral fuels and fertilizers to India. These goods are exchanged between both countries so that they can make the most of their respective production capacities. 2. Import trade. To put it simply, import trade means purchasing goods and services from a foreign country because they cannot be produced in sufficient quantities or at a competitive cost in your own country. For example, India imports 82% of its crude oil requirements from countries like the United Arab Emirates and Venezuela. This is because these countries possess massive oil fields and are quite competent in exploring, processing and transporting oil at an economical rate. Similarly, United Arab Emirates imports agriculture and apparel-based products from India because it is easier and cheaper to import these rather than produce them in their own country. 3. Entrepot trade. Entrepot trade, in simple terms, is a specific form of international trade that comprises both import and export trade. Under this type, goods and services are imported from one country so that they can further be exported to another country. This is to say that the imported goods are not used for consumption or sale in the importing country. Instead, the importing country just adds some value to the goods before exporting them yet again. For example, if Turkey imports rubber from Thailand, processes it and re-exports it another country like Germany, it would be referred to as Entrepot trade. Congratulations, you have officially learned the basics of international trade and business for beginners. Now start booming and make the world your business. Also, if you would like to learn more about international trade, you can watch videos here on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. I want to make sure you get this and prove it to me. I want you to do a couple of things for me. 1. Hook me up with a thumbs up, and number 2, comment below with an I get it. I just want to make sure you understand these basic subjects of international trade and business because they are underlying foundation behind all the scenes of import-export works. So comment below with an I get it, use the hashtag Team Murat if you are a part of Team Murat, and subscribe to my channel here. So go out there and make some trade, be confident and realize that you can export and import at the same time. Yes, make sure you catch some of the other videos over here. We got some good stuff coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Thanks again, click over here to keep going. Bye.